Okay, another interesting style.
Wow.
Yeah, the sofa. Yeah. You can. I know you can sleep on this. Jeez. You
This
can.
is strange. Is that a side table there? Or
Yeah.
Is that
Side table slash little bookshelf.
This is like a completely separate design. To
Yeah.
that. I was trying to work out.
It's little shelves on that side, but it's facing the opposite direction though.
Right.
Okay, that's just one long curtain.
Okay, so this is a view.
Sweet poolside and countryside. So this is gonna be quiet. It's gonna be way more quiet.
Very quiet.
Yeah.
Wow. That view.
Yeah. I think the karaoke guys you were talking about earlier is just over there.
Right.
So you won't miss them.
Right. I can bring them with me.
Yeah, exactly.
Get clearer.
Right. You're closer range.
I might be able to join in.
Yeah, exactly. Just from here. Just
I'll provide harmonies.
Nice stuff. Nice stuff. The TV's on the small end. That's the only gripe
First
that.
one.
Yeah.
That's the benchmark at the moment.
Right.
17.
Oh, 17.
17.
So now we're going lower. All right, let me get some lights on. Okay. Got a lot of fake plants.
You dust them, not water them.
Yeah. Right. This bed looks more movable.
Yeah, this one is not fixed in place.
Yeah. So you can definitely tear this down. This is just a little foam mattress. Yep, just a little skinny foam thing. Yeah. So.
It's like, I know what you're looking at.
Yeah. There's a like $1 million for those beds.
Right.
So yeah. So this one's definitely easy peasy. Oh, this is a proper bench. Okay, I can see now. Yeah, a little stylish. Cool. Okay, so different layout for the bathroom. So these it looks more standard.
It's got all of those.
Yes, handheld and the rainfall. Wow, that's an interesting chair right there. That's the view. Similar mattress.
Right.
A little bit thicker though. A little bit thicker than the other one.
I mean, it's soft.
I mean, it looks huge for this
Right.
space. For a makeup chair.
Is it? I guess.
But then it blocks that door, kind of.
Is there a reason that's there? Or is that just
This is the design, yeah. Another air filter.
Yes.
Nice humidifier there. That's cool. Nice touch. The table is smaller, so there's pluses and minuses. And there's that big table. That chair again.
That's the boss chair.
Yeah.
Wow. Come around and look at it.
Right.
It's huge.
Oh, jeez. It's like the captain's table. The fridge is, I know this fridge. This is the bespoke one. This is like double the rent just for that fridge. So it has some nice features.
Nice. I mean,
Definitely.
That's not a captain's bed.
I think those chairs may have went here because it's kind of big.
Right.
It's probably went there before, but they probably moved it just to
They
make
look
space.
matching.